Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm going to show you how to design this concrete countertop. Okay, more or less the size like this for the kitchen cabinet. Okay, so let's get into it. First, I roughly plot. Okay, so I come to here. Okay, this one. Take corner base cabinet. Okay, I come to here. Okay, maybe I just take this one. Okay, this one. Okay, instead of right, I'll turn to left. Okay, drag and drop. Okay, just like this. Okay, from here the width I change to 1495. Okay, like this, and put into corner like this. Okay, next we come here, change back to door cabinet. Okay, I drag this double. Okay, put here like this. Okay, this one I set 895. Okay, okay, this one set to 0. Okay, so I put one right cupboard, which is this one. Okay, here 400. So these two size is the same as the image, the size for this one, 1295. So next I get this one 1278, right? So for this one, same thing. This I take this one. Okay, I go for this one for 800. Okay, then maybe I put one drawer cabinet, alright. And come here, maybe I take this 4. Okay, put here like this. This size I resize to it, 478. Okay, then I link them together. So this size is 1278. So 478 plus 800 is, yeah, the size already. Yeah. All right. Next, we see here got sink. So we add one sink. So to install sink, select the cabinet, which is the whole thing that I select. Right click, hardware, sink installation. Okay. So let's say I take one of the sink. Okay. So I get one sink. Okay. Then maybe just simply choose one tab. Okay, which is look like this. Right. Then to adjust the size slightly more towards here, which is around here, this size like that. So I can simply just move here like this. So maybe move around 400. Oops, sorry. Select the thing. Okay, move the thing only 400. Maybe 300. Okay, more or less look like this. So most the same like the image. Okay, roughly around like that. Or you got specific size, you can move specific size. Okay, after done, install the tab. Next, we'll talk about install the stove. Okay, hardware, stove installation. Okay, so I simply put one. Okay, maybe I just use this one. Then if you want a hood, just put a hood. You just choose one. Okay, look like this. So we're done ready. Okay, next we go about the countertop. Okay, countertop is here. It's plus sign, countertop installation. Okay, since you select everything nicely, okay, there's no gap between. So for the size, I choose this one, TM09. Oh, sorry, page 3. TM09, which is down here. Alright. This one, let's choose this. Then for marble, let's say I go for, yeah, maybe I just go for this one, or maybe got others better. Okay, let's generate. Oh, before I generate, so the size is around 40. So I go for 40. Okay, like this. Let's generate. So that, so I have the countertop. Okay. So next we're going to create the countertop. Let's start here. So this is size 55. All right. So to create the size 55, I come here, create side countertop. I create this. Okay. Go nearer. Select the line. Okay. So instead of I want specific the size same, this one untick here. So this is what? 55. So I set this one to 55. Generate. So this is 55 size. Next, come here to the corner, right click, create side countertop. So the size is 60. So in order to get that, I'll get 60. Okay, more or less like that. Okay. Okay, so we done our countertop. Okay, last part we're going to talk about bottom is so install skirting. So install skirting, just come here, this plus skirting. So let's say, oops, return. So install skirting, we just look bottom like this. Delete. Okay, install skirting. Okay, select everything. Okay, so far all good. All right. So skirting, we will set here sets around 100. Okay, so I'll set here. Let's choose a model. Okay, maybe I just choose a model base trim. Yeah, maybe I just choose this model or this model or this model. Right. So set to 100. So maybe material size I change to concrete also. Stone. Okay, we just use this one, right? Okay. Press OK. Then I have my concrete skirting. If not, can just use backwood lah. Okay. Okay. So this is how I create concrete. Okay. Concrete tabletop. Okay. So this for the kitchen concrete tabletop. Alright. So hit the like button and then subscribe. Okay. Bye.